Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off crisis and emergency alert notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your computer. If you've recently noticed your feed lighting up with alert messages and want to manage or completely turn them off, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of options, like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. Now that you're inside the Notifications section, find the Settings option at the top right corner or within the side menu. Click on Settings to open your notification preferences. Next, select Preferences. This area allows you to fine-tune how X notifies you about activity on your account. From here, click on Push Notifications. Once you're in the Push Notifications settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled From X. This is where the platform lists alerts that come directly from the company, including crisis and emergency alerts. To stop receiving those specific notifications, simply uncheck the box next to crisis and emergency alerts. When the check mark disappears, it means you've successfully disabled those notifications. That's it. From now on, you won't get interruptions from crisis or emergency alerts while browsing or working on X. Of course, you can always turn them back on later by following these same steps and checking the box again. Managing notifications is a great way to keep your online experience calm and focused. Whether you're using X for work, entertainment, or communication, customizing these settings ensures you only see what truly matters to you. If this helped you take control of your alerts, make sure to like the video and share it so others can do the same. Thanks for watching.